appointment of commander of the Zimbabwe National Army. Sabina mashoko atiri kuona kuti panguva ino panokwanisa Willy Valerius Wanda achiretire, and at the same time Manyo Matatu achiitwa the commander of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces. Mutungamiri wenyika ouya panguva ino aiwa achipromota zvekare Ashawo Mutata Fumanei achimuita the commander of the Zimbabwe National Army. Sabina mashoko arikubuda panguva ino vanhu vachiti aiwa wakomana kufasi panguva ino vachiitwa macommanders eNational Army. Ndobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Samukutemba Mliso anouya chinyora chiti another master stroke by ED. Congratulations to Lieutenant General Tafumanei on his promotion, a brilliant mind with operational efficiency. The good thing is that he has a background in intelligence services, and working with General Matatu, they make a good combination. It's a great move by ED, consolidating his power and reinforcing how he is a master of the long game. All that his misguided enemies have left is social media. This is an all-new command, elevated by and operating within the orbit of ED's control as the commander-in-chief. An army aligned only with the one center of people guarantees the nation of stability as the last line of defense. Thomas Komandalta Kopana Temba Mliso posted this statement Ramurkona press statement. No Sainwana Martin Rosharakansi. His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe and Commander-in-Chief of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, Comrade Idi Mnangagwa, acting in terms of Section 216 of the Constitution of Zimbabwe, as read with Section 11 and 11.4 of the Defense Act, promoted Major General Ashawo Tafumanei to the rank of Lieutenant General and appointed him Commander of the Zimbabwe National Army with effect from the 25th of November 2025. Thomas Kwanubuda nyogwa panguva ino imhuri yeZimbabwe panguva ino tichiona kuti aiwa mapower struggles nemaconsolidations epower achiitika munyika yeZimbabwe. Zviitiko izvi zvinonyatsooneka shuwa nenyatsokuonekwa kunzi ED Mnangagwa is consolidating his power. Pinda kumesection medu za fungulo enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. So unsubscribe or like, check on the bell icon.